Hi, you guys. I apologize. My webcam isn't working, so my face is not in the video again this week. I need to get that looked at. But I did want to go over the agenda with you guys. So this week, remember everything is due Sunday at 11:59, and we have our 4.5 and 4.6 big ideas. This needs to be completed at home, but will not be available until after class. This section is pretty difficult, and so I felt like it would be better to use our class time and go over it in person. That way, if you did have any questions or any misconceptions, we'd be able to catch it during class together. So the big idea is homework. We will have time to work on it in class, but just know that it won't be available until we have class time. And then the other thing that you can be working on and you should be working on at home, instead of giving you another assignment, I decided to give you guys the gift of time. And so when you would be working on your math, I want you working on any missing assignments or assessments. And so this is for all of Chapter 4. Chapter 3 is done with. We can't go back and do anything with that. However, the retake is still available as well, and I'll show you where that's at. So anything from Chapter 4, so 4.1 through what we did last week, which was 4.4, and then your retake for Chapter 3. In class, what we're doing is our warm-up, obviously, and then we are going to do our 4.5 and 4.6 notes, like I said earlier in the video. If you're absent, please let me know, and I'll send you the notes through Schoology, so it'll show up in your Chapter 4 folder. And then we'll do an activity, and then we will have homework time. And like I said, we should be able to get through all of the homework in class, but whatever's not finished will be homework. Here are my Zoom times and my office hours, and then here's my link for Zoom if you need that. In the folder, you will be able to see the weekly video, and then there's a couple of notes. So this note says that if you are absent for class, please email me and I'll send you the notes. Then they'll show up at the bottom here for you. And then it also says to check that you've completed any missing work / complete all of the missing work. So if you check and you see that you are still missing something, please go and complete that, because after Friday, it just goes in as a 0 and we can't go back and do it. And then here's where you're going to post the showing work form for big ideas. And so once you complete that homework, you'll show your work and you will upload a picture of it here. I've been getting a lot of students who said, who've been typing in that they don't have paper or they can't show their work, or I didn't give them a piece of paper. We are now almost at quarter 3, and so I'm a little confused as to why this is now showing up, but it means go and get a piece of paper from home, or if you need paper, I have plenty that I can give you, but you're going to just get a regular piece of notebook paper, computer paper, any kind of paper, and you're going to show your work on it, and then you're going to take a picture of it and you'll upload it here. You also have the option to show your work on your computer, and you can write on your screen, and that's also, that will also be counted and given you full credit for. But saying that you don't have paper is not, because the past couple of weeks we've been doing homework in class and I would have been able to give you paper. So please make sure that we have what we need. If we don't, like I said, I can give you the paper for it, but just submitting that you don't have paper is not an option, because we also have our laptop and we can show work on there as well. So I'm going to give you the rest of the time to work. Like I said, if you're absent, let me know. Then these will show up, but until then, all you'll be able to see is what is on your screen. All right, get started on your work.